Affiliate Programs 2023. The 10 best programs to boost your online income. Hey, you future tycoons of the digital world! Buckle up, because we're about to go on a thrilling ride into the realm of money making. Today, we're unmasking the secrets of affiliate marketing in 2023, revealing the top 10 programs that could supercharge your income and transform your life. If you've ever dreamt of financial freedom, hitting the snooze button without worrying about the 9-to-5 grind, or just making money while sipping margaritas on a beach, you're in the right place. Stick around, because each minute of this video could be worth thousands in your bank account. Let's dive in and uncover these gold mines. First things first, let's quickly define affiliate marketing for any newbies joining us today. In a nutshell, it's where you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission on any sales made through your referral link. Easy peasy, right? Now, let's talk money. Number 1. Amazon Associates. This giant has been around since the 90s, and it's still going strong. With Amazon, you can promote virtually anything you want and earn up to 10% in advertising fees. Plus, they've got tools to help you find the best products to promote and track your referrals. With its broad product base and trusted reputation, Amazon is a great place to start for beginners. Amazon's affiliate program benefits greatly from the platform's wide variety of products and high level of user trust. Plus, with high conversion rates due to Amazon's strong brand presence, it can be easier to make sales. As for success strategies, consider promoting products that align with your content or audience's interests. Remember, with the right strategy, a 10% commission can turn into a substantial income stream. Number 2. CJ Affiliate. Another old-timer in the affiliate world, CJ Affiliate offers a vast network of companies across various industries. What's unique about CJ is the depth of detail available about each advertiser's performance, giving you all the data you need to choose the best matches for your audience. Commission rates? Well, they're variable depending on the advertiser, but with some offering over 20%, the sky's the limit. CJ Affiliates benefit from its diverse range of advertisers and detailed performance metrics. This allows you to truly tailor your affiliate marketing strategy to your audience's needs. A top strategy for success is utilizing these metrics to continually optimize your promotions. Aim for those advertisers with higher commission rates and match them to your audience for optimal returns. Number 3. ClickBank. Now here's an affiliate marketplace that's been around the block. ClickBank offers digital products across a multitude of niches, with some vendors offering commissions as high as 75%. Imagine earning $75 for every $100 product sold. If you've got a niche market, ClickBank could be your golden goose. One of ClickBank's major benefits is its focus on high-margin digital products. This allows for high commission rates, up to 75%. For success, consider focusing on niche markets and evergreen products. A good understanding of your audience's problems and the solutions they're seeking will help you select the right products to promote. Number 4. Shopify Affiliate Program. If you're into e-commerce or have an audience that is, Shopify is a no-brainer. As an affiliate, you can earn an average of $58 for each user who signs up for a paid plan, and up to $2,000 for each Plus referral. Now that's what I call a commission. Shopify offers high commissions and a product that's popular with a wide variety of online businesses. Benefit from Shopify's popularity and high-quality service to encourage signups. For success, target audiences interested in e-commerce or running their own businesses. Again, with a possible $2,000 commission per Plus referral, every conversion counts. Number 5. Bluehost Affiliate Program. In the web hosting world, Bluehost stands out with its affiliate program. You can earn $65 for each referral, and with high-quality services that are easy to promote, those $65 payments can add up quickly. Bluehost's affiliate program offers high payouts, plus it's relatively easy to promote given its reputation for high-quality service. You can benefit from the growing demand for website hosting and WordPress solutions. To succeed, try creating content that helps your audience understand website creation and management, tying in Bluehost's offerings naturally. Number 6. Rakuten Advertising. Rakuten, a massive online store with a well-established affiliate program, works similarly to Amazon Associates. They offer various product categories to promote with competitive commission rates. Plus, with a global presence, your potential audience is virtually unlimited. Rakuten's vast product range and worldwide presence give you a large potential audience. The benefits here lie in the diversity and flexibility of products you can promote. A solid strategy is to focus on product categories that align closely with your content or the interests of your audience, thereby maximizing conversions. Number 7. ConvertKit Affiliate Program. For those in the email marketing niche, ConvertKit is a top choice. You get a 30% commission for each referral, and this is a recurring commission. That means as long as your referral stays a ConvertKit customer, you keep earning. Passive income, anyone? With ConvertKit, you not only get a 30% commission, but also recurring revenue. This means a steady income stream from each successful referral. The key to success here is to target audiences interested in email marketing or growing an online business, and provide valuable content around these topics to drive signups. Number 8. SEMrush Affiliate Program. SEMrush is a popular tool site for digital marketers, and their affiliate program, BRush, offers 40% recurring commission on sales. If your audience is into SEO, SEMrush could bring in consistent high-value commissions for you. SEMrush offers a lucrative 40% recurring commission. As a leading tool in SEO and digital marketing, their affiliate program can be quite profitable. To benefit fully, target audiences interested in SEO and digital marketing. For success, create content that highlights the importance of SEO, incorporating SEMrush naturally as a solution. Number 9. Wix Affiliate Marketing Platform. Wix is a top-rated website builder with a lucrative affiliate program. You earn $100 per premium referral with no limit on the number of referrals. If you're targeting a creative or tech-savvy crowd, Wix could be a solid addition to your affiliate repertoire. Wix's benefits include high commissions of $100 per premium referral and a user-friendly platform that's easy to promote. To succeed, target audiences seeking to create their own websites, such as small businesses, creatives, or bloggers. Provide value by creating tutorials or guides around website creation, incorporating Wix as a recommended tool. And last but not least, number 10. Fiverr Affiliate Program. A marketplace for digital services, Fiverr allows you to earn up to $150 or $10 CPA plus 10% rev share for each first-time buyer. The diversity of services available to promote is staggering, from graphic design to programming and more. This one's a potential goldmine for anyone with a digital-centric audience. Fiverr allows you to earn up to $150 for first-time buyers, providing a vast array of services to promote. Benefit from the demand for digital services and the wide selection of specialties on Fiverr. For success, understand your audience's needs and recommend relevant Fiverr services to meet those needs. Remember, successful affiliate marketing doesn't just come from picking the right program. It's about understanding your audience, providing genuine value, and nurturing trust. So take this information and make it work for you. Your path to affiliate marketing success is within your reach. So there you have it, folks, the top 10 affiliate marketing programs for 2023. But remember, success in affiliate marketing isn't just about choosing the right programs, it's about knowing your audience, providing value, and building trust. So while these programs are a great starting point, your journey to affiliate marketing success is ultimately in your hands. Now, don't just sit there. Start applying to these programs, and remember, every big fish started as a little one. With hard work, persistence, and a bit of strategic thinking, who knows? Maybe next year, you'll be the one giving advice on how to succeed in affiliate marketing. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll be diving deeper into each of these programs, discussing tips and tricks on how to maximize your earnings. Until then, keep those entrepreneurial spirits high, and let's make some money.